Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see what is meant by NSE and BSE. So NSE stands for National Stock Exchange and BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange, and both of them are located in Mumbai. So BSE was established in 1875 and it is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. And NSE, the National Stock Exchange, was established in 1992. So these two are the two most important stock exchanges in India. There are other stock exchanges also. So after the IPO of the company, which we saw in the previous video, the shares of the company will be traded in the stock exchanges. Okay, that is, the people will buy and sell the shares of the company in the stock exchanges, which will happen in NSE or BSE. And here, the stock exchange acts as an intermediary between the buyer and the seller. Okay, so stock exchange is basically a place where the buyers and sellers buy and sell shares. They trade the shares, and it all happens in electronic form through a demat account by opening with a stockbroker. For that, I have made a separate video also about demat account. So stock exchange acts as an intermediary. You can think like a vegetable market or sabji mandi. Okay, where people are selling vegetables and there are buyers and sellers of vegetables. In stock market, there will be buyers and sellers of shares and various other commodities like mutual funds, currencies, commodities, etc. So the stock exchange acts as an intermediary for the buyers and sellers, and it also acts as a regulator of the trading which happens in the stock exchange. It regulates the trade which happens between the buyers, sellers and the company whose shares are listed in the stock exchange. I hope after this video you would have understood what is NSE, what is BSE. These two terms are very frequently used in the stock market. So SEBI stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India, and its head office is in Mumbai. So SEBI was established in 1992 by passing of the SEBI Act, and the chairman of SEBI is Mr. Ajay Tyagi. So the objective of SEBI is to protect the interests of the investors and promote and regulate the securities market in India. Like how you have RBI, which governs all the banking activities in India, similarly SEBI governs all the stock market activities in India. So SEBI makes guidelines, rules and regulations for companies to follow and also disclose various information to the shareholders from time to time. It also exercises control over the stockbrokers and the stock exchanges and ensures they are operating properly and fairly in the securities market. SEBI also makes a lot of awareness programs for the investors and general public also about the securities market in India. So it is basically a body which exercises control over the companies, stockbrokers and stock exchanges in India. Also, if you have any complaints related to any listed company in India, you can also file a complaint with the SEBI website, which is the SCORES website. You can also check the link given in the description to this video about that SCORES website. So I hope now you understood what is SEBI and what are the activities and functions of SEBI. Thank you.